To get started, I would recommend that you get a completely free Gold IRA guide that is written by the best and most trusted Gold IRA company that I have found after over 20 years as an expert independent gold researcher. This free Gold IRA guide will explain everything you need to know and will also answer any questions you may have about Gold IRAs. This is the best guide I have seen in my lifetime as an expert independent gold researcher with more than 20 years of experience, and this is the best guide available anywhere in my opinion. Also, when you get this free Gold IRA guide, you will get free access to the top Gold IRA experts who will provide you with personalized support and help over the phone, and they will answer any questions you may have. To get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. So again, to get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. This free guide is really worth getting. Simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. Also, this audiobook is not financial, investment, or tax advice. For financial, investment, or tax advice, consult a financial, investment, or tax advisor and take full responsibility for any decision you make. Okay, let's start the audiobook. How does a Gold IRA work? Precious Metals IRA accounts details. In an increasingly volatile and uncertain world, securing your financial future is paramount. While traditional investment avenues like stocks and bonds have long been the cornerstone of retirement planning, a growing number of savvy investors are turning to a more tangible and historically resilient asset class, precious metals. And when it comes to incorporating precious metals into your retirement strategy, the Gold IRA, or Precious Metals IRA, stands out as a powerful and advantageous tool. This comprehensive audiobook will delve deep into the intricacies of Gold IRAs, providing you with a detailed understanding of how these accounts work, their numerous benefits, and why they are becoming an increasingly popular choice for those seeking to safeguard and grow their retirement savings. We will explore everything from the fundamental mechanics of setting up and managing a Gold IRA to the types of precious metals eligible for inclusion. Prepare to embark on a journey into the world of Precious Metals IRAs and discover how they can empower you to take control of your financial destiny and build a more secure and prosperous retirement. The foundation: understanding the basics of a retirement IRA. Before we dive into the specifics of Gold IRAs, it's essential to understand the broader context of individual retirement accounts, IRAs. IRAs are tax-advantaged accounts designed to help individuals save for retirement. The two primary types of IRAs are traditional IRAs and Roth IRAs, each offering distinct tax benefits. Traditional IRA. Contributions to a traditional IRA may be tax-deductible in the year they are made, potentially lowering your current taxable income. However, withdrawals in retirement are taxed as ordinary income. This structure is generally beneficial if you anticipate being in a lower tax bracket in retirement than you are currently. Roth IRA. Contributions to a Roth IRA are made with after-tax dollars, meaning you don't receive an upfront tax deduction. However, qualified withdrawals in retirement, including earnings, are tax-free. This structure is generally advantageous if you anticipate being in a higher tax bracket in retirement or want tax-free income in your later years. Both traditional and Roth IRAs offer the benefit of tax-deferred or tax-free growth of your investments, allowing your retirement savings to potentially compound more effectively over time. Typically, these IRAs are funded with cash and invested in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. Introducing the Gold IRA, a tangible twist on retirement savings. A Gold IRA, also often referred to as a Precious Metals IRA, is a specialized type of self-directed IRA that allows you to hold physical gold, silver, platinum, and palladium within your retirement account. It is not an investment in gold mining stocks, ETFs that track gold prices, or certificates representing gold. Instead, a Gold IRA facilitates the direct ownership of physical precious metals stored in a secure, IRS-approved depository. The key differentiator of a Gold IRA is the inclusion of physical precious metals. It operates within the same tax-advantaged framework as traditional IRAs, you can have both traditional and Roth Gold IRAs, but instead of paper assets, your retirement funds are invested in tangible, real-world metals, admired for their intrinsic value and historical resilience. Why choose a Gold IRA? Unveiling the advantages of precious metals in retirement. The allure of Gold IRAs lies in the unique benefits that precious metals bring to a retirement portfolio. In an era characterized by economic uncertainty, rising inflation, and geopolitical instability, precious metals offer a compelling array of advantages. Diversification. Beyond traditional assets, one of the cardinal rules of sound investment is diversification. Gold and other precious metals tend to have a low or even negative correlation with traditional assets like stocks and bonds. This means that when the stock market declines or bonds underperform, precious metals often maintain or even increase in value. Adding a Gold IRA to your retirement portfolio can significantly reduce overall portfolio risk and enhance stability, acting as a crucial counterbalance during economic downturns. A powerful hedge against inflation. Inflation, the gradual erosion of purchasing power, poses a significant threat to retirement savings. Historically, gold has acted as a reliable hedge against inflation. As the value of paper currencies declines due to increased money supply and rising prices, the value of gold, being a finite and tangible asset, tends to rise in tandem. A Gold IRA can therefore serve as a vital shield against inflationary pressures, preserving the real value of your retirement savings over the long term. A safe haven in times of economic and geopolitical turmoil. In periods of economic uncertainty, political instability, or global crises, investors often flock to safe haven assets. Gold has consistently been recognized as the ultimate safe haven throughout history. Its inherent value and global recognition as a store of wealth make it highly sought after during times of crisis. A Gold IRA provides a refuge for your retirement savings during turbulent times, offering peace of mind and protection against market volatility and systemic risks. Tangible and lasting value. Unlike paper assets that can be subject to counterparty risk, inflation, and even become worthless, physical precious metals possess intrinsic value. Gold, silver, platinum, and palladium are universally recognized and valued commodities with industrial and investment demand. They are tangible assets that you can physically hold, though stored securely in a depository for IRA purposes, offering a sense of ownership and security that paper assets often lack. This lasting value provides a bedrock for your retirement savings, built on something real and substantial. Potential for long-term growth. While precious metals are primarily viewed as stores of value and hedges against risk, they also offer the potential for long-term growth. Historically, gold and silver have experienced significant appreciation over decades, outperforming many other asset classes during certain periods. As global demand for precious metals grows, fueled by industrial applications, investment interest, and central bank purchases, the potential for long-term appreciation in a Gold IRA remains compelling. Tax-advantaged growth and potential tax-free income. Gold IRAs retain the tax advantages of traditional IRAs, tax-deferred growth, or Roth IRAs, potential tax-free growth and withdrawals in retirement if a Roth Gold IRA is chosen. This means your precious metals investments can grow without being taxed annually, and withdrawals in retirement can be taxed at your ordinary income rate, traditional, or potentially be entirely tax-free, Roth, depending on the type of Gold IRA you choose. Breaking down the process. How to set up and operate a Gold IRA. Setting up a Gold IRA involves a few key steps, and while it may seem slightly more complex than opening a traditional IRA, the process is straightforward with the right guidance and understanding. Choose a self-directed IRA custodian. The cornerstone of a Gold IRA is a self-directed IRA custodian. Unlike mainstream brokerage firms that typically handle traditional IRAs focused on stocks and bonds, a self-directed custodian specializes in handling alternative assets, including precious metals, real estate, and private investments. They act as the administrator of your Gold IRA, ensuring compliance with IRS regulations and overseeing transactions within the account. Key considerations. When choosing a custodian, experience with precious metals IRAs. Ensure the custodian has a proven track record and expertise in handling Gold IRAs specifically. Reputation and security. Choose a well-established custodian with a strong reputation for security and reliability. Look for custodians that are licensed and insured. Fees and costs. Understand the fee structure, including setup fees, annual maintenance fees, storage fees, and transaction fees. Compare fees from different custodians to ensure they are competitive and transparent. Customer service and support. Evaluate the custodian's customer service and support. You will want a custodian that is responsive, knowledgeable, and provides excellent assistance throughout the process and ongoing account management. Eligible precious metals. Confirm that the custodian handles the specific types of precious metals you wish to include in your IRA: gold, silver, platinum, palladium, and the forms, bullion, coins you prefer. Fund your Gold IRA. Once you have chosen a custodian and established your self-directed IRA, you need to fund the account. There are typically two primary methods for funding a Gold IRA. IRA rollover. You can roll over funds from an existing traditional IRA, Roth IRA, 401k, 403b, or other qualified retirement accounts into your new Gold IRA without incurring taxes or penalties. The rollover must be completed within 60 days to avoid potential tax implications. Direct rollovers, where funds are transferred directly from your existing custodian to your Gold IRA custodian, are often the most efficient and recommended approach. IRA transfer. Similar to a rollover, a transfer involves moving funds from an existing IRA to a new Gold IRA. However, a transfer typically involves direct communication and coordination between the two custodians, making it a generally smoother and less complex process than a rollover in many cases. Direct contribution. You can also make direct contributions to your Gold IRA, subject to annual IRA contribution limits set by the IRS. These contributions may be tax-deductible for traditional Gold IRAs, depending on income and other factors, and are made with after-tax dollars for Roth Gold IRAs. Select your precious metals. With your Gold IRA funded, it's time to choose the specific precious metals you want to include in your account. IRS regulations stipulate specific purity standards and eligible forms for precious metals held within an IRA. IRS-approved precious metals for Gold IRAs. Gold must be gold bullion coins or bars meeting specific purity standards, typically 0.995 fine or higher for bullion. Examples include American Gold Eagles, Canadian Gold Maple Leafs, American Gold Buffaloes, and gold bars from recognized mints and refiners. Silver must be silver bullion coins or bars meeting specific purity standards, typically 0.999 fine or higher for bullion. Examples include American Silver Eagles, Canadian Silver Maple Leafs, and silver bars from recognized mints and refiners. Platinum must be platinum bullion coins or bars meeting specific purity standards, typically 9995 fine or higher for bullion. Examples include American Platinum Eagles, Canadian Platinum Maple Leafs, and platinum bars from recognized mints and refiners. Palladium must be palladium bullion coins or bars meeting specific purity standards, typically 9995 fine or higher for bullion. Examples include Canadian Palladium Maple Leafs and palladium bars from recognized mints and refiners. Important note on collectible coins. Generally, collectible or numismatic coins are not permitted in a Gold IRA. The focus is on bullion coins and bars that meet specific fineness and purity requirements. It is crucial to ensure that the precious metals you select comply with IRS regulations to avoid potential penalties or disqualification of your IRA. Purchase and store your precious metals in an IRS-approved depository. Once you have chosen your precious metals, your custodian will facilitate the purchase of these metals on your behalf. The funds in your Gold IRA are used to acquire the selected precious metals from reputable precious metals dealers. Secure storage in an IRS-approved depository. A critical aspect of a Gold IRA is the requirement for secure, third-party storage of your precious metals in an IRS-approved depository. You cannot store your Gold IRA precious metals at home or in a safe deposit box. IRS regulations mandate that the metals must be held by a qualified depository that is insured and bonded, ensuring the security and segregation of your assets. Choosing a depository. Location and security. Consider the location of the depository and the security measures in place. Reputable depositories employ advanced security systems, including vaults, surveillance, and armed guards. Insurance and bonding. Confirm that the depository is fully insured and bonded to protect against loss, theft, or damage to your precious metals. Fees. Depositories charge storage fees, typically based on the value or quantity of precious metals stored. Compare storage fees from different depositories to ensure they are reasonable. Reputation and accreditation. Choose a well-established depository with a strong reputation and relevant industry accreditations. Ongoing management and distributions. After your Gold IRA is established and funded, your custodian will handle the ongoing administration of the account, including record-keeping, reporting to the IRS, and facilitating transactions within your account. You can typically monitor your account online and make adjustments to your precious metals holdings as needed, within the rules and regulations of your custodian and the IRS. Distributions in retirement. When you reach retirement age and wish to take distributions from your Gold IRA, you have a few options. Physical precious metal distributions. You can take distributions in the form of physical precious metals. Your custodian will arrange for the transfer of your selected metals from the depository to you. Keep in mind that these distributions may be taxable, depending on whether it's a traditional or Roth Gold IRA. In-kind distributions. Transfer to taxable account. You can take an in-kind distribution, where your custodian liquidates your precious metals and transfers the cash value to a taxable brokerage account. Cash distributions. You can request cash distributions, where your custodian sells your precious metals and distributes the cash proceeds to you. Conclusion. Gold IRA. Empower your retirement with tangible security. In conclusion, a Gold IRA offers a powerful and compelling way to diversify your retirement savings and fortify your financial future. By incorporating physical precious metals into your retirement portfolio, you can gain access to the potential benefits of diversification beyond traditional assets, inflation protection, safe haven security, and the enduring value of tangible commodities. Also, I would recommend that you get a completely free Gold IRA guide that is written by the best and most trusted Gold IRA company that I have found after over 20 years as an expert independent gold researcher. This free Gold IRA guide will explain everything you need to know and will also answer any questions you may have about Gold IRAs. This is the best guide I have seen in my lifetime as an expert independent gold researcher with more than 20 years of experience. And this is the best guide available anywhere in my opinion. Also, when you get this free Gold IRA guide, you will get free access to the top Gold IRA experts who will provide you with personalized support and help over the phone, and they will answer any questions you may have. To get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes, or go to the link that is in the episode description. So again, to get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes, or go to the link that is in the episode description. This free guide is really worth getting. Simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes, or go to the link that is in the episode description. Also, this audiobook is not financial, investment, or tax advice. For financial, investment, or tax advice, consult a financial, investment, or tax advisor and take full responsibility for any decision you make. This is the end of this audiobook. I hope you enjoyed this and found it valuable. I would really appreciate it if you could please share this with everyone you know and leave a positive review for me. So again, I would really appreciate it if you could please share this with everyone you know and leave a positive review for me. All the best to you.